Jack, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. Oh my. What do you think, bud? What do you think? Are we gonna ride that? You wanna ride that? You want another train? How about this? How about we get on that train? You want to get on it? You want to ride it? Yeah? Okay, want to get down? You have to stay right here in line. Can you smell that?
He asked some other guy if he could have his cube, and he's like taking the walls down and making like a double white cube. Yeah.
Hey, get down. Just gotta wait a little while.
Here we go, buddy. Jack, here we go. You have to wait. We have to wait for everybody else.
He took him the CPK for dinner last night.
Here, give them whatever they need.
Yeah, he was just like really loud. Oh, really?
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
This way, this way. This way.
You worked you all day today? I think we have to wait for the next one.
All right, keep going. All right, bud. First train of the day. See if we're gonna make it. Hey, 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 hey. We just missed it, pal. I'm sorry. All right, we're on the next train, okay? We're on the next train. But we get to watch this one go, okay?
I think we might be all right.
They're gonna wave some more people on here.
I think we got another car back there.
Oh, wow.
Maybe that's the conductor.
There'll be another one. There'll be another one. Man, that gate closed right in your face, huh? I know. What a bummer. You see another one? I don't see another one. Jack, you ready to watch the train go? Oh, you're looking at the carousel, huh? Do you want to ride that when we're done with the train? Hey. Hey. Jack, there it goes. No, it's this train. It's gotta take off. Jack, it's another train.
Stay here, baby.
Jack, look at this. Look at this train.
He was.
Pretty neat, huh?
Just us.
Okay.
You got room?
Yep.
Okay, let's go in the choo-choo. Come back. Don't get your head stuck in there.
We're gonna do one with 3 and then we'll just 2 guys. How many in your group?
2.
Okay.
Are we in or out? We're on. Jack, we're gonna go on the train, pal.
Yeah, we're
Ready?
going to choo-choo right now.
There you go.
Promise. Choo-choo. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, Jack, are you ready to get on?
Choo-choo.
He's coming back. He's gonna pick up the cars like Thomas. You know how Thomas picks up the cars?
See that? Yeah.
Here he comes.
Right, so look.
He's gonna pick up the cars just like Thomas.
We're gonna go for a ride on it.
Whoa!
Choo-choo, that's right.
He just picked him up.
Okay, watch your finger.
All right, buddy.
That's her right there. That's Stella. That's Stella.
Here we go. There we go. Hey, we're getting on. Where do we go? Do we go in the back one? Or do we go in here? What do we do?
Okay, we're gonna go for a ride right now.
Back one? Okay. Climb on up, bud.
You got your phone?
Yeah, I got my phone.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute.
I'm gonna head out.
Keep heading out.
Oh, the board!
Here we go.
Did you hear it?
Here we go, bud. I'm gonna put my foot right here, okay?
Here we go. You ready? Okay. We're gonna go for a ride now.
I know it's this is the longest ride because the last one's out and the last one's back.
Very good thinking.
yeah, that
All
makes
right,
sense to you.
Jack,
On the bridge,
we hit the
never did.
jackpot.
Okay. Have a nice trip on our train, okay? Do you like it?
He does. He does.
See, he blew the whistle 2 times. Going forward.
Here we go, buddy.
We're having a little fire problem. Either we run really rich or we run really lean.
Rich or lean, as long as we're running.
Yeah.
Jack! Jack! Jack, are we on the train? Jack, you wave to all the people? Jack, over here. See all the people? You wave? Can you wave? There you go.
Yeah, we're just gonna do one with 3. Are you gonna have another next time? I'll talk to him. Michael's gonna have to add it. I can't. Okay.
Here we go. Fast, right?
Parked our car, right? Yeah,
Woohoo! Hey, what do you think? Is this pretty neat? Bike riders, huh? the reservoir, right? The creek.
Oh, yeah, there's one part playing. There's lots of play parts in this part. I don't know all about it. Oh, there's
Jack, there's a redwood. Yeah, redwood, that's right. You see the geese?
Waddle, 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 waddle. Oh, Matt, you thought better. Someone wants to drop.
We're really cooking now, huh? We are cooking.
Super bad. Super bad. I know.
Jack, you see the mountain out there? Oh, it's Choo-Choo. How far is the loop?
Which one are you talking about?
What's that?
Which loop?
I don't know, the one we're on?
Yeah. The Squirrel Hill one? Or
Oh no, the one we're doing right now.
how long is it?
Yeah.
It's about a mile.
Okay. Pretty neat.
Well, I think we're going to go fast again. I think we're going to go fast. And then we're going to go slow. I think we're climbing up the hill. There's our car.
Whoa, we're high now.
Here we go.
We're really high. That was a bridge, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that a bridge? Tunnel? That was pretty cool. Tunnel back there.
Here we go. I think we're going to go super fast again maybe one more time. We have to go around this bend.
Ghost, do you see the ghost? That's the ghost.
How do you model all their tires?
There they are.
Manager? Ticket? Crossing? Session? Thank you. Carousel?
I see him, buddy. I see him.
Yeah.
Mountain? Yeah, you're right. I see it. There it is. Very good. More geese. Smells like soot, Jack. Woo. Jack, do you like when it goes choo-choo? Whoa. Switch is clear, buddy. You could ride this all day, right? Going back to the station. Hear the bell? We're coming back to the station. Jack, look at this guy. He's keeping up with the train. Look at this guy on the bike. He's motoring. He's gonna beat us. He's got training wheels. He's on the bridge next to us. Oh man, alive, huh? Oh, Jack, we're on the bridge. We're on the bridge. We're on the bridge. Whoa, look at the creek. Was that cool, the bridge? Ah, smells like fresh skunk. Whoa, baby, right? We made it. Can you clap? Give us some clapping. All right. Down we go. This way, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. Did you like that? Did you like it? Let's go. That concludes the train ride.
Bye, choo-choo train.
Bye, choo-choo train. You want to go down and look at it? Let's go down and look at it. Oh, man, they're grilling. I was gonna say that smells better than train smoke. There's the train. That's the real deal, buddy. Let's walk by it. Let's walk by. Want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Wow. That is something. That is something. Here we go. There it goes. There it goes. You know what he's going to do, Jack? He's going to turn around. Let's go look. Let's go look. All right. Whoa. It's like Thomas. Hey, is that like Thomas? On the turnaround table? It's like Gordon, he says. Right? It's like Gordon. You're right. You're very right. Gordon is big. Gordon's the big engine. But Gordon's not black, is he? He's blue, right? Yeah. Jack is dumbfounded. All right, buddy. Woo! There it goes. Whoa, baby. Say bye-bye, choo-choo. Say bye-bye. Hey, Jack, now hey, tell us about your ride. Hey, buddy. Tell us about your ride. Jack, did you have a good time? Are you dumbfounded? Hey, Jack. Was that fun? Was that a choo-choo? All right, say bye to the camera, will you? Bye-bye. Those are just cars. They're just turning them around. Hey, Jack, say bye to the camera.